Over here, I grow nature's antibiotic, as I like to call it. I believe everyone should also grow this one in their garden. Regular antibiotics are lifesavers, but because they always require a prescription, they can't be stockpiled. This herbal antibiotic has no such restrictions. I turn my small harvest of chamomile into an antibacterial, but also antifungal oil. It's been proven to work against Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Candida, and several other nasty infections. And it doesn't hurt your good gut bacteria the way conventional antibiotics do. Here's a quick garden remedy. Take a handful of dried or fresh chamomile leaves and add them to a warm bath. Step inside to relax your entire body, especially sore muscles and aching joints. Other recipes you'll learn how to make with the guide are chamomile compresses for irritated eyes, the stomach tea, infused chamomile oil for wounds and skin ulcers, chamomile tincture for sciatica and rheumatic pain, an eczema salve, and chamomile sitz bath for hemorrhoids.